Good morning students, this is Nilofer ma'am. Today in English grammar we shall do chapter 15. Topic of the chapter is conjunctions. In the class the chapter has been explained and we have done some definitions. In today's class I'll explain you remaining definitions with one exercise. Let's see the definition, that is correlative conjunctions. They are used to join two independent clauses or words of equal importance. When we have two clauses or words which have equal importance, we join them with correlative conjunctions. Examples can be seen here. First one is whether you want to join our team or theirs is your decision. Second one is hardly had he finished cooking when the guests arrived. So here if you will separate these clauses, they will have their equal importance. Now let's see the exercise. Join these sentences using the conjunctions and name their types. So first of all we have to join the sentences by using the conjunctions and then we have to name the conjunction also. First one is they took the last bus, they wanted to reach home before the dark. So here we have joined the sentences by using the conjunction, that is because, which is subordinating conjunction and which is used to show a reason why they took the last bus, because they wanted to reach home before the dark. That is the reason. Second one is I will not be able to finish the project, he helps me. So here we have used the conjunction, that is unless, which is subordinating conjunction and which is used to show a condition. So that means I will not be able to finish the project without his help. Third one is she can be on my team, she can be on your team. And we have joined the sentences by using the conjunction, that is or, and it is coordinating conjunction which is used to choose one option from the given options. So she can be on my team or on your teams. One option we have to choose. Fourth one is we were not allowed to play, we were not allowed to sing. So here we have used the conjunctions, that is neither nor, which is correlative conjunction and it is used to show the options. When we are having two options and none of the option can be chosen, that time we use neither nor. So neither were we allowed to play nor were we allowed to sing. Fifth one is I can't solve this problem, I have not studied this topic. And the conjunction which we have used, that is for, which is coordinating conjunction, and for is used to show the cause. It means in coordinating conjunction two independent clauses are there and one clause is the cause of the other one. So why I can't solve this problem? Because I have not studied this topic, that is the cause. Sixth one is the shopkeeper was a cheat, the shopkeeper was a liar. And the conjunction to join these sentences we have used, that is both and, which is correlative conjunction, because correlative conjunctions are used in pairs. So both and conjunction is used to choose the options. When two options are presented and both options can be chosen, the both conditions can be fulfilled, that time we use both and. So here the sentence is the shopkeeper was both a cheat and a liar. The shopkeeper was a cheat also and a liar also. Here both options are chosen. So this was the definition and one exercise. I hope everything is clear to all of you. Thank you everyone.